Hey, how's it going? So if you're like me, you live and die by your flashlight on your iPhone. So instead of carrying around a flashlight like we all should, we're over here using the flashlight on our phones, and why not? I mean, it's a flashlight, right? Our phones are all in one utilities, so it's not that big of a deal. But anyway, the flashlight on your iPhone or any phone is actually very, very important. But let me show you a couple tips and tricks that you can do with the flashlight on your iPhone. Now, first off, you need to put it in a spot that you know it is. So on my control center, it's right there. You see where I put it, right? And it's simple as that. Here, let me we'll do a tutorial real quick. Let me come over here. Well, I think I need to turn it. Is this still on? No. I want to press hold. I want to come over here, get rid of it. Now, if you want to put your flashlight where it needs to be, come over here and you find it right there. Tap on it like that and put it in a spot where you know you're going to use it. And I already forgot where I had it. Now I'm going to put it right here. Damn, I think I had it over here. All right, I'm real picky like that. All right, so there it is right there, okay, people? This is Survival 101, Survival of the Fittest. Next, I want to show you guys something else. You come over here like this. My flashlight is also over here on the home screen. So by now, a lot of you people are probably thinking that I'm afraid of the dark. I'm not actually afraid of the dark, man, but I don't like walking around in the dark sometimes, all right? Because I live in a pitch black house because that's how I sleep. Anyway, how do you put it there? Press hold like this. Now you're going to come over here and you're going to do the whole customize thing like that. No, you're not going to do the customize. You're going to press and hold and you're going to be greeted with all this stuff down there. You'll figure it out. Anyway, whatever. All right, but I want to show you guys something next, all right? So you're going to come over here. So say it's time to activate the flashlight. You're going to come over here and just tap it, right? It's all good. You got your flashlight. You're walking around in the dark and you're cool, right? All right, but check this out. So we're going to come back over here and you're going to press and hold it like this. And now you're going to be greeted with this right here. So you can adjust the brightness. So that right there is like laser beam. You can actually cut metal with something with that, right? It's that bright. It's blinding me right now. Watch this. Watch out. All right, that's pretty dang bright. But for most people, it means, oh man, I didn't know that. You can even press on it like that. Look. So you got one level. Well, you got no level of brightness. And okay, so anyway, and then you got your 2, 3, 4. You got 4 levels of brightness with your flashlight. Tell me that's not really awesome. So for me, I leave it on level 2 because I am walking around at night sometimes with this. Then I don't want to blind myself. And like I said, this thing's like a laser beam when it's turned. It's even, damn, that's even bright. But anyway, knowing how to adjust your flashlight accordingly is very, very important. You know, you're broke down on the side of the road, you got something going on, or you're broke down on the side of the road, you only got 30% battery, and you need your flashlight, man, you better put it right there, because that's still enough light to get the job done, right? So you're out there messing around with the tire, or you got something in the trunk. You know what I'm saying? All right, everybody. Laters.